If it does not lead to more peace in your life, it is not in alignment. If it does not take you deeper within yourself, it is not in alignment. Today, let's reflect on the idea of alignment. It is one of the simplest yet most powerful truths because when your life is aligned, it flows. When it doesn't, you feel resistant, tension, and unrest. Think for a moment about the choices you have made that left you with peace. No excitement, not temporary happiness, but peace. That calmness in your chest, that quiet voice inside that say, yes, this is right. That is alignment. Alignment is not about perfection. It's not about always making the easy choice. It's about recognizing whether something honors your values, whether it supports your growth, whether it helps you become a kinder, more authentic version of yourself. Now think about the opposite. The times when you felt a knot in your stomach, when you said yes, but every fiber of your being wanted to say no. The times you stayed in place or with people that forced you to silence your truth. That uneasiness, that unrest, that heaviness, those are signs of misalignment. You see, life is always speaking to us. Our bodies, our intuition, our emotions, they are constantly giving us signal. But we often ignore them in order to fit in, to avoid disappointing others, or to chase something we think we are supposed to want. But here's the truth. Anything that requires you to betray yourself is not your path. Anything that demands dishonesty, prolonged struggle, or constant fear, it is not in alignment. When you choose peace, you are not choosing weakness. You are choosing clarity. You are choosing strength. You are choosing to live from the inside out instead of the outside in. And when you do that, your life begins to feel lighter, more authentic, more connected to who you really are. So, how do you know if something is aligned? Here are a few simple questions you can ask yourself. Does this give me a sense of the calm? Does it honor my values? Does it allow me to grow? Does it make me a better human being? If the answer is yes, move forward. If the answer is no, pause, reflect, and realign. Remember, alignment is not always about comfort. Sometimes it challenges you, but it challenges you in a way that expands you, not in a way that diminishes you. Challenge of the day. Think of one area of your life where you feel unsettled. Ask yourself, is this in alignment with who I am and who I want to be? Then write down one small step you can take today to bring it closer to peace. Affirm this. I choose alignment. I choose peace. I choose what makes me whole. You don't have to have it all figured out today. You don't need a perfect plan. What you need is a compass, and your compass is peace. If it brings you peace, if it brings you truth, if it helps you grow, that is alignment. Trust it, live by it, and watch your life shift into something that feels more like